Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that GAIMIN token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, GAIMIN is a pioneering Web3 gaming platform that harnesses the vast existing and untapped computational resources of gaming PCs to create a globally distributed decentralized supercomputer. By tapping into a network of 1.8 billion gamers with high performance GPUs, GAIMIN provides scalable, cost effective solutions for AI processing, blockchain validation, and cloud services, rewarding gamers with GMRX tokens for their contributors. GAIMIN project institution rating is 3.9. GAIMIN token total supply is 93.94 billion and circulating supply is around 53.82 billion GMRX token. GMRX token is listed on Gate.io, KuCoin and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.